Man, I really hate school. I wish I would not have to go to school anymore.
Good morning, George. Are you ready for school? Well, okay then, be sure to behave.
I know what I am going to do today. I will pull the fire alarm at school, and then we will all get to leave.
So, did you end up getting ungrounded for what you did?
Oh yeah, it's all good. We cleared everything up and it's okay.
Oh no. There goes Curious George, and I bet he is up to no good. Let's follow him.
Ha 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 ha, no one can stop me now.
Wait. Me and Leo knew you were going to do something bad, so he went to go get Principal Rack while I followed you here. Any last words?
It's not what it looks like.
Curious George. You were going to pull the fire alarm because you don't like school. You will be suspended for 1 week. Go home now.
Wah 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 wah.
Caillou and Leo. Thank you both for stopping Curious George. You both can have the day off. I will be calling your parents as well.
Yay.
Well, Caillou, I cannot believe you stopped Curious George from pulling the fire alarm. That's it. We will go to Chuck E. Cheese's.
Oh. Curious freaking George. How dare you try to pull the fire alarm? That's it. You are grounded for 3 months. Go to your room now.